Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with spare tire and carrier, single slide, outside storage, double step entry, outside speakers, solar power prep, outside shower, outside kitchen refrigerator, flip down travel rack, stabilizer jacks, overhead kitchen storage, entertainment center, stainless sink, mini blinds, sofa bed, high-rise faucet, booth dinette, bathroom tub shower combo, detachable power cord, removable table, double door refrigerator, pleated shades, tire pressure monitors, LP leak detector, bathroom toilet, electric awning with LED lights, smoke detector, queen size bed, USB charging station. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.